Hits 100.
Oyentes, a continuación 100.9 Hits 100 te presenta Entrevista di Dia pa Awe, presenta pa Subway y Smith and Dorlas. E Awe nos llama bombini na rei di musica soca di Aruba su carnaval, qua queda corona già sabra. Ultimo esta rei Lord Lally, Soca King di Aruba. Lord Lally, welcome, good morning, welcome in the program.
Good morning.
How do you feel after Saturday?
After Saturday, I feel like my whole life has changed since I won the Soca contest. Yeah.
How much has changed?
Well, since I won the Soca contest, a lot of I feel that I felt different. Like my whole life has changed since I've won the Soca contest, because everybody wants to take pictures of me, you know. Yeah, the Sunday Children's Carnival, everybody were taking pictures at me.
I saw them come and dance with you too.
Yeah, the dancers, yeah. Mm-hmm.
For how many years exactly? Because people were saying you have 4 decades participating, but can you be more exactly since when you started participating in the Calypso and Road March King contest?
That was way back in 1978. Those days, they didn't had no back then. They didn't have so many competitors like now. Back then, there was around 8 to 9, 10 competitors, and that was it. And yeah, the festival used to finish early on, like around 11:30, 12 o'clock. But we never go all 5 o'clock till 5 o'clock in the morning, you know.
Is there a difference of the songs that you participated with and with the songs that are participating in this period and this time in the Soca King contest?
Yeah, because back then was real Calypso and Road March, because back then in the Road March wasn't Soca. The name was Road March, you know, Calypso and Road March. And back then, yeah, a lot of the mostly used to play songs from Mighty Sparrow and Lord Kitchener and Calypso Rose back then. And when I was participating back then, they didn't have the children's. There were no children's, no youth Calypso and Road March contest. It was only for the big people.
And it was in the Lagos Sport Park. Can you tell us which was one of your first songs that you participated with?
Blackout 77 and the So I Hear. Yeah, and Something Special in the Caribbean. That was back in 1978, and in 1979 I came with the Road March National Bondong, yeah, and that's the and what the other one was Play Mass. That was in 1979. National Bondong was a Calypso, yeah, and Play Mass was the Road March. So it was 2 songs I compared back then, you know.
each competition you had to go with 2 songs, one calypso and one road march.
Back then it was you had the warm-up song, the calypso, and the road march.
So you had to come with 3 songs.
With 3 songs, yeah. Back then.
What were the outfits in those days? Did you keep going with outfits every competition?
You see, back then, it's not like now. Like we need to. Like when we participate, we have to come all glittering. The thing back then it's just simple. Back then it was simple.
Put the blue jeans and a shirt and you go compete.
Yeah, the Lord Boxer used to dress in white. Yeah, and red pants. He had on red pants and white shirt. Then you had Lord Tiger. He used to come like a tiger costume, no? Yeah.
Were you all guys friends in St. Nicholas, and then that night everybody is competing? Can you tell us a little bit about the atmosphere, all the decades that you have participated? That there are not many competitors that can tell those stories.
When I was competing, it was they used to put all the chairs on the field for the people to sit down and enjoy the calypso and road march contest. A lot of the chairs and the people used to sit at the grandstand also. Yeah.
I remember a friend of mine told me that even the last night or even at night during the competition, some of the singers are putting words in the songs. So you keep composing till the last minute. Is that true?
I used to compose songs before the calypso and road march contest, because back then I was much younger, and somebody had helped me compose a calypso and a road march for me, because I didn't have so many experience of writing, composing calypso and road march like now I know how to compose calypso and road march, you know.
Okay, my next question is this: what is different this time that you won?
What is different this time that I won? Yeah, back then I participated in the calypso and road march contest in 1978 and 1979. But in 1980 I didn't compete because I was hospitalized in Croes. I operate on my back. Yeah.
But this time you had a song that's about lizards, about pega-pega and lagadishi and, these animals. What inspired you, and what do you think made you win this contest this time?
Well, the lizards, the how you call it, they call them crooked lizards. You see them everywhere, and you can hear them cacking. You can hear them cacking all over in the trees. They be at your home, right? At the lights, they all over cacking. When I underneath the tree, waiting for the buzz, I can hear them cacking underneath the tree.
And with the cacking, you mean making noise?
Making noise there, that cack.
Yeah.
So there I decided to compose a song about them. You see, and when the night, I say. The night falling, hear the lizard cacking. Yeah, the night falling, hear I don't like them because sometimes they wake you up, they sleep, Sometimes you can be sleeping and all of a sudden, you hear cack. Yeah.
But now we saw you on stage. You became one of the lizards.
Yeah, because the way they sound,
Yeah.
Yeah.
And all your dancers dancing, very, very nice. And we think the show was complete, that it was your night. Nothing could have taken this title from you.
Yeah, that was my night, because since the preset selection, right? Well, after I sing that song, everybody seems to like it, Everybody seems to like it, but the juries, they don't want to take me, because usually I fall in the finals. You see, every year I must fall in the final because when I compose songs, I compose songs with lyrics, you know, and that's the most important thing. When you compose songs, it has to have lyrics. It has to rhyme, you know. That's the composing a song.
So what happened here that during the pre-finals they didn't pick you to qualify in the finals, but the public picked you and you got thousands of votes that made you qualify. That's the way it went?
Yeah, that's the way it went. They had a wild card, you know.
Yeah.
So when somebody at the job told me that the Lally, you haven't come out nowhere. I said, what? That's why no wonder none of the Hot Ones band that phoned me and tell me that I made it in the finals, you know. And the people don't like it. Then they all voted for me to get in the final because they like the song. Everybody, the whole Aruba liked the song. So they helped me get in the finals, you know.
Now, I saw the competition when you went sing. I was not there. We were watching it through the TV and all through the night. The night was a weird night, strange night because you had to start one more time. But like the people were like reluctant to scream and dance to all the other singers. They were waiting for you. And suddenly when you went up the stage, everybody joined with you.
Yeah, that was the moment, you know. As I go up to sing, everybody came in went inside the Carnival village just to see me sing, you know, just to see me sing because they all had vote for me for me to get in the final. I left everybody behind, all the other singers who had competed and they didn't fall in the finals, you know.
The people not only saw you, they danced with you, they jumped with you, and they screamed at the end and really enjoyed the song and made the juries decide you are the Soca King that night.
Yeah.
Which singers came by you and say, of course, some of them may feel a little not so happy that they didn't win, but at the end, all of them came and congratulated you?
Not all of them came to congratulate me. Some of them, not all. Like Tattoo, he congratulates me. Yeah. But it's just Tattoo congratulates me.
You have been just singing at one of the events. What is your schedule these days? Because we understand you're still working at the DV Hotel and you're very active. Mm-hmm. So how are you planning and doing all these carnival appointments?
Yeah, I decided to take some days off, you know, the vacation during the carnival, so I can have I can go in here and there, you know.
You know, your song became popular in St. Martin, radio station in St. Martin. Lady Grace called us and asked for the song because people in St. Martin are wanting to dance with it, want to hear it, and people in Curacao too.
Yeah, I might go to St. Martin to sing my song, and in Holland maybe next month.
Well, that's fabulous. Congratulations.
That's something that I've never been to Holland in my life. I would like to go there to see Holland. So it's my opportunity to travel with my song. This is to see. Yeah, the people like it. The Bonaire, I hear Bonaire like it. Curacao, St. Martin, even in United States. If I'm mistaken, right, in United States also.
Tremendo. Now, you will need more songs besides only this song. What about you and the band? How are they doing, the guys that are playing the music for you?
Yeah, they will have to play for me when I go up to sing every year, you know.
Would you like to thank some people that helped you, your musicians, arranger, and everybody else that made the song possible to win that night?
Well, I want to thank Emil Croes then for arranging my song, and okay, I self composed my own song. Yeah, I self composed the most, and sometimes Angelo just puts something in it like the at the last, you know.
Yeah.
The song, the lizard cacking, the hands every. Yeah, he put the last piece there, the last part. So I'm also working on a next road march for next year, the next Soca for next year.
So you're planning to keep participating in the competition every year, so long the health permits and so long God give you life and energy.
Exactly. Yeah, as long my two eyes are open. As long my health is good, I will continue participate every year. I'm right now. I'm 64 years old, and look, I have a crown, right? So I won the trophy for a long time. For a long time, I was wanting to win a trophy because I never in my life I win a trophy. Look, I get a trophy, I get the placard. And now they get the crown. So,
you know that people invented the dance, or you guys invented the dance that accompany your song. Are you going to have more dancers?
Yeah, but you see, the thing is that I'm like the return of Lord Boxo. I was like return of Lord because I heard Boxo used to go up to sing every year, but he never used to get a thing until in 1971 he made the song Basha Awabai. There's where his song went viral because it was in Papimento and everybody like it, so it went viral. He went skyrocketing high. You see, because he composed a road march in Papimento, and that back then, that's where the people start like the song because it was in Papimento. Basha Awabai, Asina Shontawa Dagrita. So I like the return of Lord Boxo.
Señora Tawa, que la urne fallera, tocante tu agua. Ay, así la chuntaba ta grita, basha mamai, laga tanque llena bonita, basha mamai, cae curva, basha mamai, laga luz bailanda. Puxete luna, tanti baci, guardando sole, come patente, avuto maeda, come troviava, e come giocava, pura nera. Ai, assim na junta a tagrita, bailada tanguiena bonita, la cai curva. Ay, la calor bailando.
Saludable e fresco. Saboreia um sushi soft, wrap, flatbread ou com salada com bom ingrediente no favorito. Podia ser com sopi. Make it a combo com 2 cookies of chips, refresco de 20 ons, água ou upgrade para juice. Qualquer treat na trabalho, school of get together, busca no sandwich platter de 5 pida, ou nos wrap platter. E para passar boca, nos sushi cookie platter. Subway, make it what you want.
Hey, Casa de Cultura também renova. Bang nos tour sostener nossa cultura e nossa herência. Bang une braça, braça que merece. Da nossa cultura de Aruba, junto por inover. Eta boca se aqui, bocas de cultura. Botona chombo assim sonho realidade. Que braça, para nos arte e cultura. Que braça, junto nos pode ser realidade. Que braça. O aporte está trece avance na nossa plataforma de expressão para nós Aruba. Pang Brasil.
Vim tomar break durante dia super druk na Smith & Dorla's Coffee House para sobosacaba onda para saborear bom coffee ou delicioso té orgânico acompanhado por douche broodje, bolo ou salada. E special, o Smith & Dorla's está procurar para preparar para buco hope e amor. Para nos clientes que tá preferir té 100% orgânico e livre de cafeína, tem 6 tipos como mister bem purba. E para paladar diferente, é Bombay Chai, té exótico, mescla de cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg e black tea. E para nos juventud, aparte de caramel e mocha frappuccino, agora também tem cookies and cream de coffee frio na Smith & Dorla's. Vim desfrutar de nosso espaço ideal para fiesta ou para reunir com amigos. Nós está abrindo dia de 9 de manhã para 6 da tarde e já sabra de 9 de manhã para 2 da tarde. Llama Trempang para reservar na telefone 588-4888. Smith & Dorla's Coffee House. Tá para isunan kusa de compartir de bom ambiente.
Old school security awareness training doesn't hack it anymore. Today, your employees are frequently exposed to sophisticated phishing and ransomware attacks. That is why ITP Caribbean has partnered up with KnowBe4, the best organization in security awareness in the world. With the KnowBe4 platform and our local approach, we have created a program that takes your organization to a whole new level of security awareness. For more information, contact ITP Caribbean by phone at 582-4492 or go to our website, itpcaribbean.com. ITP Caribbean. Bleep bleep without the blah blah.
They all over, they cacking everywhere. At the hotel area, you can hear them cacking there. In the trees they cacking, at the lights they cacking, at your home they cacking, all over the world they cacking. It's against the law, killing them because the law is protecting them. Killings are cacking.
The rhythm of your song, many people commented on because people like the rhythm of the soca or the road march. Is that rhythm the same rhythm that you guys compete in those days, and that Boxo also played had the songs arranged?
It was the rhythm was different back then than now.
But your rhythm was slower than other songs this time.
Yeah, but you see the rhythm, right, was not so fast like now, but it was
even slower.
Like a jam with that song, because I had the song let's jam till the end, let's jam till the end, let's jam till the end. Yeah. That was the song I compete in 1987 with the boys next door. When the deceased Anthony Gario was alive, he was in the Boys Next Door together with Tattoo and Rusty, Mighty Rusty. Yeah.
What do you think about your city, San Nicolas, and the culture of Carnival? Talking about that, what would you like to say to the San Nicolas community and Aruba about San Nicolas Carnival? And now you're the Soca King.
I grew up there. I grew up in San Nicolas, yeah, and that's how I get to learn sing the calypso because they had young Quicksilver used to live across from me. I used to live in the village, yeah? And young Quicksilver used to live across from me on St. Martin Street, the same street. So, and I used to like to sing the song from young Quicksilver. He like
Which one?
Yvonne, your mommy home. No, it's me alone. Yvonne, where daddy gone? Up in the mountain, the Rica's gone. I told she I was hungry, but then she have any food to give me. She watched me for living face, telling me go down off to get it.
You remember all the words.
Yeah, the Yvonne, and she telling me, please quick, go away. Don't come back, tell me daddy there. Listen to what me mommy say. I mustn't do nothing when she gone away. Oh God. Yeah, that was I used to sing that song to him. Hey, you know that song good, yeah.
Which do you like most, calypso or road march soca?
I like both. I like both more. I like both, calypso and road march, because calypso was from Mighty Sparrow and road march was from Lord Kitchen on. He was very good in road march.
Now, how are you guys preparing for the big grand parade? Where are you going to be? Are they preparing the trailer for you to be on and something else? What is the grand finale of Lord Lally's Soca King period 2026?
I'm thinking about going with the solo banda show, because the hot ones they have no group for the big people, only for the children. So I will sing with the Hot Ones band for the children carnival in San Nicolas, but for the big parade I will sing with another band, solo band. I decide to choose solo band show.
Your carnival message and your message to the Aruba community to celebrate carnival. What will Lord Lally say to Aruba's community and all the fans that back you up all the way during the competition and now celebrating the carnival?
Yeah, I would like for all of you to come and enjoy the carnival and see me performing on the road. You see, because yeah, for years now, I like to compete. I like enjoy watching the parade. Yeah, I would like for all of you to come and see me sing. Come and see me performing on the road for the parade, the big parade.
Do the lizard dance.
The lizard dance, yeah. All they should do the lizard dance. I have a feeling that there are some groups coming with lizards costume. Yeah, that will be good, you know. That will be good.
Congratulations, Lord Lally, and many more successes to come.
Yeah, thank you.
Tabata nos Entrevista di Dia paawe ku Soca King di Aruba, Lord Lally.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
It's 100.